Hello everybody, this is Grace Bell and welcome to the Work for Dinglings. Now, I didn't call it the Work for Dinglings because we're all dinglings, although and sometimes maybe we are, but I knew that I wanted to make the title of a course that would show it is for brand spanking new beginners, people who have no idea what the work is, who are really intrigued and interested in questioning their thoughts. Dingling was easily come up with because Bell is my last name and I was called Dingling or Ding Dong from time to time. But as somebody recently said who took the course, I hope I can be a real dingling by the time I'm done with it. So you will be receiving a short video and lesson or step in the process of the work for a week. We're just breaking it down and making it as simple as possible. That was my intention of what to do here with this course. And people have asked, do I really need to be a brand new beginner? Or if I have some experience in the work, will this be useful? This 7-day class will guide you through the steps in a more meditative way. So if you have a lot of experience, no problem. You might find it very helpful. As somebody else said to me recently, I'm going to keep using this when I have a really big issue come up, just so that I take it more slowly when I'm doing the work on my own. I began to do the work myself in 2003, kind of, when I read the Loving What Is, the basic handbook for the work, which I highly recommend. I really started doing the work in earnest in 2005 when I attended Byron Katie's School for the Work. And that was 9 days of doing the work, and I really got it. But anyone can do this from the comfort of your own home. So I love that you're here. Just get out a pen and paper. You will receive something each day and just follow the steps, and we'll try to break it down and make it really simple and short so that it won't take you too long. You may need as much as 30 minutes some of the days, so just be prepared. The most important thing I wanted to say before we get started is that the work is really questions. Just remember that. It's just 4 questions and finding turnarounds. There's nothing dangerous about doing the work. It can accompany anything that you do in your life. If you're in a therapeutic type of modality of any kind, it can accompany any religious beliefs or practices and work along with your own spiritual practice and your inner spiritual life. It's really just questions to address experiences that you've had that have been particularly stressful and painful. We know sometimes they just are never to be forgotten and they come plague us over and over again. So whether mildly stressful or extremely stressful, this is a really amazing way to sit with that experience, and it takes courage, and just take a look at it. But you are the one who's finding the answers, nobody else. No special teacher, not me, not any answers in the work. This is just your answers only. And you'll find that to be the case as you step through the process, one step at a time. So enjoy. You'll get a lesson every 24 hours from the time of day that you signed up. And soon we'll get started. All right. Lots of love, everybody. Thank you for being here.